Çekiyorum. Arkadan. Ha tamam. Gördüm.
The ultimate wild boar hunt.
This isn't just a hunt. It's a clash of instincts, patience, and raw determination. For seasoned hunters like you, it's not just about the thrill of the chase. It's about mastery. Out here in the untamed wild, it's man against nature, and today we face the relentless wild boar. Buckle up. This is going to be brutal, gritty, and absolutely unforgettable. The first encounter. The moment of truth. The hunter's gaze locks onto the target. Every sound, every movement becomes sharper. This is the calm before the storm. Sometimes, even a perfect shot won't bring a boar down immediately. These beasts are built tough. But that defiance is just a facade. The pain will catch up. Seconds later, the giant falls, its strength no match for precision. The power of nature. The sheer power of the shot sends it tumbling, like something out of a movie, raw, dramatic, and unstoppable. This is the primal theater of life and death, where every second tells a story. The fight for survival. A wounded boar, desperate and fierce, fights for its life. It's a primal battle, instinct versus inevitability. Every creature, even us, thinks we can outrun the end. But death is always just a step behind. Wild boars don't run alone. They move like a storm. One reacts, and the entire group follows, turning the hunt into a chaotic and unpredictable battle. It's not just skill that matters here, it's strategy and nerves of steel. A final shot, swift and merciful, ends the boar's struggle. This isn't just about taking life. It's about respecting it, embracing the harsh reality of the hunt. The forest remembers the chaos, but the hunters leave with more than just their prize. They carry the essence of the wild, a connection to nature few understand. This is more than sport. It's a way of life, a passion, a craft. Strong winds, rugged terrain, and long distances make shooting extremely difficult. The hunter must adjust every breath, every aim to achieve absolute accuracy. Every rustling of leaves, every snapping of dry twigs could be a sign that a wild boar was nearby. Tension grew by the second as the hunter carefully approached his target. The chase is reaching its climax. The hunter must keep his wits about him and make split-second decisions so as not to miss the golden opportunity. With patience and clever use of the terrain, the hunter has established the ideal position. This precise shot will be the climax of the entire journey. The decisive moment has come. As the wild boar charges with incredible force, the hunter has only a few seconds to turn the situation around. Can he overcome this challenge? With unpredictable movements, the wild boar has pushed the hunter into the ultimate challenge. This is not only a battle between man and beast, but also a test of courage and skill. If the call of the wild speaks to you, join us. Like, subscribe, and come back for more. Together, we'll keep the spirit of the hunt alive. This is who we are. This is what we do.